show you how to make pasta. This is requested by one of my viewers named Srikutti. Please try this, very easy to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Also don't forget to subscribe. Let's go to kitchen. We've got pasta, capsicum, carrot, maida, garlic, salt, milk, oregano, pepper and chili flakes. I'm using penne pasta. This is from Dharam wheat, so it's very healthy. I'm using cylinder type pasta. Take a pan and pour 4 cups water. Wait until it boils. Now it's boiled. Now add salt. Now add pasta. It will take 10 minutes for cooking. Now you will see if it's cooked. Take one pasta in a spoon. Now just cut and see if it's cooked. It's cooked. Now we will take it out. Now pour some normal water. Now we will salt the vegetables. Add some butter. Add garlic. Saute it for some time. Now add carrot. Cook for 1 minute in high flame. Now add capsicum. Just saute for some time. Add chili flakes and pepper powder. Off the flame. Now take a big pan and put butter. Add maida. Gradually add milk. Mix well. Now we will check if the sauce is ready. Dip the spoon and do like this. the sauce is ready. Now add pepper powder, oregano, chili flakes. Mix well. Now add the sauteed vegetables. Add the pasta. Mix well. Now it's ready. See, my pasta is ready. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.